Namaskar and welcome back to Fit Bites with Prerna. And today we are going to talk about a very important topic for stress relief during this pandemic times. So we are going to talk about how do you breathe to heal yourself with the stress upping up every day. Lockdown at many places or restrictions put in many cities. People are just inside their home and they are building up a lot of stress. And the breath work can be very personalized. Here we'll just deal with a few of the techniques which can help you basically reduce your stress and feel better, maybe more energized. So without any further delay, let's begin. We talk about breathing, we need to know what exactly a breath comprises of. It has three parts, which is inhalation. When you inhale through the nose, you take the oxygen in and it goes into your body, it goes into your lungs. Then there is a retention part or breath hold part, which actually helps with increasing the perfusion, blood circulation, ventilation, perfusion in your lungs. And then there is a exhalation part where you basically the used up CO2, the body basically exhales out from your body. So a breath has three parts. Now this breath work can be personalized. You may choose to hold or not to hold, but there have been many scientific studies that prove that breath work or simple basic breathing can also help in stress relief. It can help with anxiety. It can improve your mindfulness practice. It can help in vagus nerve activation. It can help in the strengthening of the lungs. It can help in the improving the circulation of whole of the body. And there are many benefits of doing breath work. Ideally, based on yoga, you should do your breath work on empty stomach, or you can do it 2 hours after you have eaten anything. But scientific studies have also proven that you can do breath work at any time, especially when you're feeling stressed. So just start with your practice for 5 to 10 minutes a day and build up on that. Simplest breath work or breathing technique is diaphragmatic breathing, where you inhale from your nose and you inhale through your chest and then your belly rises and then you simply exhale. So to keep it simple, we'll just do, we inhale, our belly rises, and then we exhale from the mouth. You can build up on this technique. First start with for 1 to 2 minutes, just start doing this. Inhale from the nose, let your belly rise up, and then gradually exhale. So each part of breath or each part of breathing basically has different type of activity. When the duration of your inhalation is more, it's more of an energizing technique, it's energizing breath. When the duration of your exhalation is more, it's more of have a calming effect on your body. So when you focus on extended duration of exhalation, it's going to be a calming breath. When you focus more on the duration of increased duration of your inhalation, it's more of an energizing breath. And likewise, you can always personalize your practice depending on how you're breathing. But first of all, let's focus on just the diaphragmatic breathing. Now, diaphragmatic breathing, as the name suggests, it's the belly breathing. All you have to do is keep your one hand over your chest and other hand over your abdomen, and you simply breathe in through your nose, let your belly rise, and then exhale through your mouth very slowly. Again, breathe in, let your belly rise, exhale. This is first technique. Second is your conscious breathing technique. In this particular breathing, it's also called coherent breathing. We are basically focusing on first our breath pattern, and then so for 1 minute, what you're going to do is you inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 4 seconds. So inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. So while you inhale for 1 minute, all you're going to do is count. Inhale, exhale, again, inhale, exhale. So when you are done with this for 1 minute, if you feel comfortable, if you do not feel any adverse effects, you just increase for next 1 minute, you just increase 1 more second. So you inhale for 5 seconds and you exhale for 5 more. So it's simply just the matter of counting till you're comfortable, and make it till at least 5 seconds or 10 seconds of breath, and this is your conscious breathing. Next breathing is the box breathing. Box breathing is very famous, or it's also known as square breathing, and 4-4-4-4 breathing. So it's a very popular technique, and it's been taught to US Navy SEALs, and it's supposed to improve your focus and concentration. Also provides you an energy boost. So the box breathing is it's a very energizing kind of breath when you take. So first of all, what you need to do is, for box breathing, you just empty out all the air out of your lungs with an exhale. Then you just hold the breath for 4 seconds with the exhale, okay? And then you do inhale for 4 seconds, and then you again hold that breath for 4 seconds, then you exhale out for 4 seconds. So it looks something like this. Again. You do this technique for at least 1 to 5 minutes to improve your concentration, to give yourself an energy boost. Ideally, it's done during the morning, but it can be done any time when you're feeling very sluggish, very sleepy. And it's also going to improve your focus and concentration. So students, you can also do this. The next breathing technique is the relaxing breath technique, which is 4, 7, and 8 technique, popularized by Dr. Andrew Weil. Here what you're going to do is, and only if you're capable to do is, all you have to do is, you inhale for 4 seconds, then you hold it for 7 seconds, and then you exhale for 8 seconds. Your exhalation is more, and it's a very calming kind of breath. It basically helps with vagus nerve activation, again with stress relief. And if you kind of visualize with this kind of breathing technique, its benefit is fourfold. So let's begin with the 4, 7, 8 breath. All you have to do is inhale for 4, so when we talk about relaxing breath, when you are actually visualizing with the breath, its benefit is manifold as always. It actually helps with insomnia. It helps with peace and calmness in your body overall. It decreases anxiety. The technique that I've demonstrated right now are very famous technique and used in integrative therapies and holistic healing for stress and trauma relief as well. So you can very well use, depending on your capability, or personalize these kind of breathing technique as per your comfort. But make sure that you are not hyperventilating, or you're just not doing the shallow breathing from your chest. Always try to do the belly breathing and include hold once you are comfortable with the normal inhalation and exhalation part, including breath hold at a later stage. Always do per your comfort, and everyone's different, so your healing would be different. Thank you so much. I'll see you with a new video next time.